Hello everyone, I am SHREEJA. I have completed my BTech in Srinivasa Ramanujan Institute of Technology in the stream of Computer Science and Engineering with a CGPA of 8.42, and I have the package is 4.5 LPA. The role is a data engineer. It is based on Python, SQL and AWS tool. I have joined JSPIDERS in the month of June. I have joined FSDI in the month of August. I have got 3 requirements in that I have got placed, and thank you everyone who supported me. I want to thank to the faculty, Anupama ma'am, Raj sir, Dhanush sir, Ramakrishna sir, Salman sir. Thank you to everyone and the HR team, especially Chaitra ma'am, who have given me the opportunities. Thank you.